Welcome back. It's time for another Wildcat Wednesday, and we've got Katie Townsend in studio this morning, and she has brought us a chicken incubator. This is the coolest little thing.
Yes, it is awesome. We got some grant money this past summer, and so we was able to purchase 4 of these, one for each of our offices, and local teachers are going to be able to check them out, take them back to their classroom, and do some incubation projects.
Okay, let's talk about how these work and, like the life cycle, like how would the process work for these teachers?
Definitely. So if you can call your local extension office and get on the schedule to check one of these out, you would have it for about a month because it takes 21 days for chick eggs to hatch. So teachers call us. We have extension agents that can come into the classroom and help them if they need it. If they're an experienced teacher, a lot of teachers have done something like this before. That's great. You can just come get the materials and you're good to go. It comes with an incubator and then all of the supplies to raise your chicks after they've hatched. So the water, the feeder, a candle to hold up to the eggs to see what is growing inside of them.
And you were showing me these obviously are not real eggs, but
right.
They show examples of what the chicks look like at the different stages.
Yes. Yeah, so we have a whole set of this that also comes with the incubator kit, and inside there are 21 eggs, one for each day that you will have your chicks in the incubator, and they show what the chicks look like inside the eggs each day so that the kids can understand the process of the chick growing.
Okay, well that's pretty cool. And I was curious, I know you have to turn the eggs, so how does that work with the machine? Yes,
definitely. So this machine will automatically turn the eggs for them. Since it's in the classroom, we don't want to open the incubator once the eggs are in it and growing so that we don't interrupt their cycle. So this machine will do that all for them. The kids can just watch it and watch it rotate. There is a little spot for water in here so that we keep the humidity and the temperature right for the chicks. So a teacher might need to add a little bit of water from time to time, maybe when the kiddos aren't looking. But otherwise, this machine will do it all for you. When the chicks hatch, they stay in here till they dry off, and then you can take them out. We provide a tub and a spot for you to put your chicks, and you could raise them in the classroom for a few days or weeks if you wanted to.
So what do you do with the chickens after they're ready to go on?
Yeah, definitely. So we typically do not provide fertilized eggs for the teachers. They would want to go out in the community and find somebody that had fertilized eggs, but we can also put you in contact with kids or adults that have those. Our 4-H program, we have kids that raise poultry, so they're gonna have fertilized eggs. We're happy to put you in contact with them. And then after they hatch, same situation. If a teacher has a place for those chicks to go, that's awesome. They can take them home. They're theirs. They're the kiddos, whoever's. Otherwise, our 4-H program, we have kids that raise poultry, and I am confident that somebody would take them and we can work with the teacher.
Real quickly, how can they get in touch with you guys to get one of these in their classroom?
Definitely. Any of our offices, so Girard, Altamont, Independence, or Fredonia has one of these kits. If you will just call our office, we will help it get it checked out and get it to you and help you set up if you need it or anything like that.
All right, sounds like a plan. All right, thank you so much for coming in, and what a great idea for the classroom this spring especially. We'll be right back.